The elephant in the room. Understanding idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, the elephant in the room. This phrase captures a unique concept in conversations and social interactions. It's widely used in English-speaking cultures, so understanding it can greatly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore what makes this idiom so special and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, "the elephant in the room," refers to a big issue, problem, or topic that everyone is aware of but chooses to ignore because it is uncomfortable or controversial to discuss. Imagine an elephant in a living room. It's so large and impossible to overlook, yet people pretend it's not there. Similarly, this idiom is used to highlight issues that are being avoided in conversation. The exact origin of "the elephant in the room" is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have gained popularity in the 20th century. The phrase likely comes from the idea of something as conspicuous as an elephant being ignored or overlooked, demonstrating how people might avoid discussing significant issues due to their uncomfortable nature. Using "the elephant in the room" in conversation signifies that you're pointing out a problem or issue that is obvious to everyone but hasn't been addressed yet. For example, "We need to talk about the elephant in the room," which is the lack of communication in our team. Ignoring the elephant in the room won't make the issue of budget cuts go away. It's a powerful way to bring attention to unresolved matters and encourage open discussion. To help you better understand how to use this idiom, here are some examples. 1. In a family gathering, "I think it's time we address the elephant in the room. Grandpa's health and his future care needs." 2. In a business meeting, "Before we proceed, let's discuss the elephant in the room. Our declining sales over the past quarter." 3. Among friends, "We've all been avoiding the elephant in the room. Mark's absence since the argument last week." Understanding and using idioms like "the elephant in the room" can significantly enhance your English language skills. It allows you to convey complex ideas succinctly and engage more deeply in conversations. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom and you feel more confident using it in your daily interactions. Remember, addressing the elephant in the room often leads to productive discussions and solutions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.